In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download song from Suno AI. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to expect so you can save your track to your device without any confusion. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Suno AI. In the results, click the official site labeled Suno AI Music Generator. If you're not already signed in, log into your account so you can access your content. It's always best to use the official website to ensure your download is secure and the features work as intended. Once you're in, head to the library. This is where all your generated or saved tracks live. You'll see your songs listed with their artwork or titles. Take a moment to confirm you're looking at the right track, especially if you have multiple versions or drafts. Find the song you want to download and open the options menu by clicking the three dots next to it. On desktop, you'll typically see these dots appear when you hover over the track. On mobile, you can tap the dots directly. This menu is your quick access to actions like share, edit, and download. Choose download from that menu. This tells Suno you want a local copy of the audio and it will prompt you for the format. Select MP3 audio. MP3 is a widely supported format that balances quality and file size, making it easy to play on phones, tablets, laptops, and most audio apps. It's also convenient for quick sharing or basic editing. If you're organizing your files, this is a good moment to plan a clear file name so you can find it later. If you see a prompt that says download anyway, go ahead and confirm. Browsers sometimes display that message when a file comes from a web app, even when it's safe. As long as you're on the official Suno site, it's expected behavior. Your download will begin right away. Watch for the progress indicator in your browser or check your downloads folder. Once it's finished, open the file to confirm it plays correctly. If your browser asks where to save it, choose a familiar folder so it's easy to locate later. On mobile devices, look in the Files or Downloads app. A few quick tips before we wrap up. Make sure you're following Suno's terms for using and sharing your music. Keep track of where your browser saves downloads by default. And if a download doesn't start, refresh the page or temporarily disable a pop-up blocker. That's all you need to download a song from Suno AI. Thanks for watching and enjoy your music.